Learn how to fix my Zoom video when it's projecting backwards or upside down. If your document camera or classroom camera is projecting backwards or upside down, usually that can be fixed within the video settings in Zoom. Hover the mouse over your Zoom meeting controls. Click the arrow next to the camera icon and choose Video Settings, which is the last option of your drop-down menu. It will prompt a window with a preview of your current camera. If your camera is upside down or sideways, hover over the preview of your camera. Click Rotate 90 degrees until your camera is rotated correctly, and close the Video Settings window. If your image is backwards, locate the option Mirror My Video under your video settings and uncheck that option. If the option Mirror My Video is already unchecked and the image is still backwards, you will need to end your Zoom meeting and start it again. Doing that usually solves the issue. If you need to end your meeting, remember to tell your students to connect back again using the same meeting information. Close the Video Settings window to continue your meeting. If you need technical help, please contact us at helpdesk@tamac.edu.